So one of my good friends and one of his friends are taking part in this year's Transcontinental race. If you don't know what it is a 3,000 to 4,000 kilometre race across Europe basically. And they leave tomorrow to go and ride it. So I'm going to head out now and go and meet them, go and ride and meet them. Have a look at, they're going to bring their bikes, they're set up so you can get to see like how they're actually going to attempt this absolutely massive, amazing ride. I'm so excited for them. I can't wait to go and see them, wish them luck and see what their bike setup is because that's really what I'm interested in. I want to go and see how they're actually going to do this. So let's go. So I'm here with Ede and James and they're going to do Transcontinental on Sunday night. So just coming to have a quick chat to you about it, how you feel before, and then look at obviously the bike setup. So how are you both feeling for Transcon?
Yeah, as I said before, I'm not really feeling anything at the moment. I think I'll start feeling stuff when I'm there.
Yeah.
But I think that's quite good. I don't really feel nervous or anything.
That is amazing.
At the moment. But,
and what's kind of the longest ride that you've done?
Well, I did LEL last year. That's where I met James.
Yeah.
On the way to Scotland on day 2. So yeah, that's the biggest one.
Wow.
Then this year I did Trans Wales, so that was just short of 400k. And then some more Daxos, 400ks.
Yeah.
And the 600k.
Woo! What about you? Well, we know you did LEL, James.
Yeah, LEL was definitely my longest. Apart from that, yeah, training this year, 400k all Daxos,
Yeah.
evening starts, riding through the night, just conditioning myself.
Getting used to that, like.
And also a lot of shorter stuff, like just making my commutes worthwhile and things
Yeah.
like that.
Fab. So, shall we have a quick look at the bike setup? So look at yours first then, Edie. Tell us what you're actually going to be taking and how you've got it all set up. So
Okay, I think it's a pretty standard setup. So, got 2 fuel pods at the front.
So that's just going to be literally just food constantly, just food in those.
Yeah, this one's a big one, so I'm going to carry my food in that. I've got it ready. It's full of Cliff Bars at the moment. And then this is just like stuff that I need, like constantly, my phone and sun cream and electrical cables and stuff, because I've got a dynamo, so this is like a USB hub.
Yeah.
So
Sure, I've seen those before, yeah. So that just plugs straight in there, that's just a USB socket,
exactly, so I can just do
Amazing.
that when I'm riding, just change whatever cable according to like what needs charging.
And what do you have in your front roll?
That's just my sleeping stuff, so I've got an Alp Kit Hunker Bivvy, a little sleeping bag liner, which I'm hoping is going to be enough. I was thinking about taking a sleeping bag, but I decided not to. And then my sleeping mat as well.
Wow, because it's such a small setup. I was so impressed when I saw it. I was like, oh my god, is that really all you're going to take?
Yeah,
so good. And what's in the rear?
So in the rear, I've just got 3 dry bags. So that's just my clothes, extra clothes.
How many pairs of bibs or anything you're taking?
2 pairs of shorts.
Yeah.
So that's like, yeah, the only thing I'm doubling up on, shorts. And what else have I got? Arm warmers, leg warmers.
Ace.
Insulated gilet. That's pretty much it. What else have I got? Yeah, just toiletries, electricals, things like that.
Wow. And I noticed you've not got a frame bag. Was there a reason that you've not got a frame bag? You just thought I can get it all on the bike?
It's a pain, isn't it? If you're short, then you have like a small frame, so I just don't have the room for it.
No. Amazing. Dun dun dun. Right, James, let's have a look at yours, because yours is very minimal as well. So you've just got two bags there, frame bag, and then, so tell us how yours is all set up.
Okay, so start at the front, I guess.
Yeah.
So we've got the dynamo. That leads up to a charger, which is stashed neatly away in here.
Yeah.
So from there I've got 2 USB cables where I can charge my phone, my lights, my Wahoo, all that stuff. This one's for food, things that I'll want to eat while I'm riding along. This one's sort of like bike and body, so like sun cream, chain lube, vitamins, lip balm, power bank in there as well.
Just in case, like, yeah.
Moving to the frame bag. It's where all my tools are.
You've shown us this before. I love this. This is so like nicely packed.
So we've got a pump, spokes, tubes, cables, spare USB cables, multi-tools, tie levers, patches,
yeah,
stuff to get you out of jail.
Definitely need those.
There's a USB plug, like Europe
Oh,
and
wow.
UK in there as well, so I'm
handy.
quite proud of that. That's
Yeah.
quite compact.
That is a good one actually. And then what's in it? You told me this earlier, and I'm so impressed with what's in this tiny. Like, that's my hand. Look at the size of it. Like, that's my hand, and that is how small that is. How many litres is that? 4?
Yeah, that's the new. It's called the Saddle Pack by Restrap. 4 litres, and they've marketed it as sort of for day rides, but it actually kind of fills a really nice gap. Where if you want to go minimal and not have that extra space and then want to fill it up with stuff. So in here I've got a half-length sleeping bag, which I'm going to use in combination with a gilet and arm warmers, just depending on how warm it is. An inflatable sleeping mat, small climate one, a bivvy, pair of running tights, like to use as leg warmers and to use as like clothes off the bike, and a rain jacket.
That is, I was saying that I just can't believe that all fits in that's such good packing, in such a good way of, like, I'm not having to take loads of stuff. So, oh my god. And have you got any like, I'll come back so we get you both in, any strategies for the ride, or are you just taking it as it is?
Yeah.
Just secret strategies for now, yeah.
I think I'm just gonna kind of, see how it goes.
Yeah. Because I was asking you this as well, how long did it take you to plan the route? Because obviously it's not, if you don't know, Transcontinental is not like a set route, it's not like IndyPac, you have to create your own route. So how long did that take you to, because that's, I guess, like a massive thing in itself.
Yeah, it is, it took quite a while. I did like a few drafts of it and then sort of went over it. It did take quite a while, and then obviously they've got band roads as well, so that sort of adds a bit of difficulty to get around them. So I only started it about a week ago.
Oh my god. Jay's in the background like, oh my god. When did you start yours, James?
Probably about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, just left it really late. You know, life gets in the way and all that stuff.
Absolutely.
Excuses. But yeah.
I don't think I could have slept for months before knowing, because I'm such like an over-planner, over-packer, but that is amazing. I like that you just kind of like, meh.
It did feel a bit like homework, I will say.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It did remind me of that feeling you get in school where you're just putting off a big essay you've got to write.
You're like, oh, it's still there, I've still got to do it,
And it was quite fun when I got round to it. Like,
and will you look, because I was asking James as well earlier, do you look to make sure that the roads are okay on like Google Earth, like Street View, just to make sure, like on every road that you're going to ride?
Yeah, exactly. So every 20k or so I just
double check.
Just to check.
It's not a gravel road, it's not like rocks everywhere, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a bit of a pain, like in Germany it doesn't exist, for example, so I was using like the satellite, but that's obviously not as good as Street View.
Amazing. Do you have any, like, how have you backed up your routes? Have you just got them on one device, or have you got?
I'm using 2 things, so my Garmin, and if that messes up then I'm using Komoot on my phone.
Fab. And James?
Same. Well, I've actually got 2 backups. I've got an E-Trex, which I've lost the mount for little last minute.
You've got a couple of days, You've got a couple of days.
So yeah, I've got the route on the Wahoo and on my phone.
Amazing.
I'm going to have the E-Trex here as well.
So you've got 3. You've got your phone, Wahoo, and then E-Trex. Perfect.
The phone's mainly going to be for like sound system.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Rocking some tunes on the way around. That is amazing. And so are you both like on, if anyone, like, obviously we'll be dot watching, but if you've got like Instagrams that we can follow you on?
Yeah, I've got Instagram, so I'll be trying to post things on there.
I'll put a link to both of yours, so you can, if you get a spare couple of minutes that you and signal that you want to post, then we will be supporting you, cheering you on.
Thank you.
132.
179.
132, 179. Lucky 132 and 179. Well, honestly, like, probably from all the people that are watching, like, like just the best of luck. I'm just so much respect. I was saying before, but like so much respect genuinely for you both doing it, because it is a massive ride and you'll be fine. I love how I just calm, you're just like, yeah, it's just, it is what it is.
Not how I feel inside.
No, but once you get going you'll be fine. We'll all be cheering you on, definitely.
Safe travelling both.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Thank you.
You got this. Give you a hug as well.
Yeah, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too. Take care.
Thank you.
Safe riding.
A meet up before you get back.
Alright guys.
Before you get back.
Well, when you get back.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
And you.
Pictures. Don't watch in. Don't watch in, exactly. Right, well, take care. Bye. Good luck. I am so excited for them, and I'm going to be cheering them on. Oh, they're just there. Oh, they've gone. But yeah, all the details will be in the description box, so please just go over, give them a little message of support, and just cheer them on to the finish. So I will see you next video.
Coming this way, Edie.
Yeah, you go the wrong way already. It's not a good start. It's not a good start.
Edit.